All right, once you have loaded all of the dimensions as necessary throughout your design, lock down that particular folder and create a new one, and name that Notes. Now we are going to need to increase the size of the canvas so that we can write in our style. So I'm going to go ahead and increase the overall width here, 1800. I'm going to apply all that to the right of the composition and make sure my canvas extension is white. Click OK, and that should now expand that nicely. Okay, now I need to go and collect my style sheet that I should have been adding to progressively throughout the weeks. Once I have all my notes together, I can copy those. Get my text tool, and again, using a basic font, 14 pixels fine. Make sure it's blue. And I'm going to go ahead and create a boundary box. Click, hold, and drag with the text tool, and then edit, paste. And that should now drop all my text in there nicely. I'm going to resize this to be more adequate. Click on my move tool to confirm that those are what I want, and then move it over to this, a little bit of space here. And of course, save. Next thing I'm going to need to do is add all the different colors that go within my style. So I'm just going to zoom in here and then create a specific filled green. Now, what I'm going to go through here is each one of these colors, you need to create a color swatch. To do this, or you can simply, one is to copy the color. In this case, select those numbers right there, edit, copy. Go to my move tool there to deselect that. Then I'm going to go to my shape tool. In the fill here, I'm going to go to my color picker, and right in there, I can paste. And that will make that color right there. Click OK. And then I'll click. Then near where I want my little swatch to be, I can click once. And that will give me my dialog box to allow me to create a nice little 20 by 20 pixel swatch. I'll get my move tool here to move that into position. And then over in my notes here, I can Control V. That will paste in the number, in the name there. So there's my little color swatch. And I can continue on down here to create all the color swatches I need for each one of these different colors. Quickly and easily, if I had previously saved all my color swatches to my collection, I can actually go down in here, and sure enough, there's my dark green. I save that to my color swatches. I can select that, and that will change that dark green. And of course, over here, I just have to change the corresponding number there, and so on and so forth, so that throughout the rest of this process, I can then change the colors here to, again, that gray there, change that number there. So I will then proceed to create the rest of these color swatches. And once that is done, then we can proceed to the next step.